Do you want me to throw it? No. You can't get in there. Stop that. Don't do it. Hey, there's nothing in there. Mom covered it up for a reason. You trying to find your ball? Your ball's not in there. I know you want to play ball, don't you? Here, Mom will get out a different ball since you lost it somewhere else. Let's see. Do we have a different ball in here? Here's a different ball. Look at this one. This has a treat inside of it. Go get it. You gonna give it? I told you, your ball's not in there. I don't know where you put it. It's not down there. Look. Hey. Look, it's not even down there. There's nothing in there. Nothing there. There's your ball, you goofball. It's right here. You put it right here. See? There it is. There it is. I told you it wasn't under the couch. Because you're always pushing it down there. I put the blanket there so you can't push it down there. Picky puppy. You're picky. Ugh. I was just going to sit back and watch you play with your ball. Are you going to give it to the other doggy? Haha, I got it. Goofball. You goofball. Stop licking Mom's toe. Stop it. Chastity, come here, baby. Come here. You gotta sit for it. Sit. Go get it. Goofy dog.